Okay, we're going to convert our degree measure to another unit called radians. It's kind of like if you've got feet, but I want to know the answer in inches. Okay, it's still the same thing. It's just a different way to reference it. So degrees and radians are just different units. So I need to tell you just kind of where it comes from. You don't have to worry about really understanding it, but a radian is found by dividing the arc length S by the radius R. Okay, so theta equals S divided by R. That is the definition of, or that's one of the definitions of a radian. But here's what you need to worry about. To be able to convert degrees into radians, multiply the, and that should not say radian angle, that should say degree angle. Multiply the degree angle by pi over 180 degrees. Okay, we're going to multiply it by pi over 180 degrees. So that's the key to converting degrees to radians. So I've picked some different examples than what's on your paper because I wanted you to have plenty of practice on it. So if you want to do this kind of in the margin, I think you've got some room over there on the right side to fit these in. So if we have 115 degrees and we want to express that as radians, we are going to multiply it by pi over 180. Now, here's the thing. Radians, we want to leave the pi. So pretty much all we're going to do is we're going to do 115 divided by 180, because the 180 is on the bottom, and we're going to turn that into a fraction. So this is equal to 23 pi over 36. Radians usually have pi in them. Okay, we leave the pi in there. We don't multiply it all out. Okay, we do not multiply it all out. So 85 degrees as radians, we've got pi over 180. So 85 over 180, make it a fraction, 17 pi over 36. Okay, so you don't multiply out the pi. You leave the pi there. So 350 350 over 180, make it a fraction, 35 pi over 18. Okay, so we multiply by pi over 180, but we don't multiply out the pi. We just simplify the number divided by 180, turn it to a fraction, put the pi back on the top. Okay, that's all we got to do.